Today, we're going to bring a Steam Deck docking station. We're going to set it up and see what you can do with it and what's available. So let's open it up and see what you get. All right, let's take a look at the actual docking station. It has a grip in the bottom, if you guys can see, on the bottom and on the side. So your docking station is going to be able to grab the Steam Deck, all right? Now on the bottom, you also have footing here so it won't slip off, all right? Now you do have a type A on one side. Let's check out the other side. There's nothing on the other side, but in the back of it, we're going to start with the actual two type C's. If you guys can notice, this is the light. This is where you're going to actually power it up. And then you got an HDMI, you got RJ45 connection, and then you have another USB to charge out other things or add a keyboard and mouse too. So very simple. We'll put this to use and see how it works. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, just to let you know, the light turned on as soon as I plugged it in, right? We are going to connect the RJ45. We're going to download some games, make sure it's running really good. You guys can see the power line just came on right now. So it's pretty much ready. We're going to crank it up. Let's go ahead and turn it on. All right, so we're going to set up the Steam Deck to docking station, but we're going to actually set up a keyboard and mouse. And one of the keyboard actually requires Bluetooth, so a USB. So we're going to plug it in here. You guys can see that. Plug it in here. And then we're going to turn it on. There it is. So we're able to move the system, go up and down. Let's turn on the keyboard. And there it is. It's going there. We're going to actually get out the Steam Deck. Wireless right now, but we're going to connect the RJ45. But look at the keyboards. We're going to say yahoo.com. And you can play mouse and keyboard any game you want. So right now we're going to go ahead and close it out. All right, we're going to connect the RJ45 connection. All right, my docking station is set up with all the connections necessary to play. It's charging up at the same time. I got a mouse and keyboard that I can connect to, and I can move around and play games like as a PC. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.